Everyone, welcome to my channel Miiks. So today we're gonna do a tarot reading. We're gonna do what is Mother Nature or Earth trying to say to us, because obviously there's been a lot of stuff going on that's kind of weird, like smokes, fires, like hurricanes, stuff like that. Also the temperature being really weird. So we're gonna see what Mother Nature or Earth would like to say to us. And this was requested by Diamond Pluto 8939. So first thing, I'm just going to start off with the basic tarot, and then we're going to use this deck because it has like nature images on it. Alright, so Spirit, what would Mother Nature, Earth like to say to us? What did Mother Nature or Earth like to say? Not really sure what we're gonna get with this. Okay, we have Four of Swords, Ten of Wands, you have Eight of Cups in reverse. These cards straight, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna pull from this deck. What would Mother Nature, Earth like to say to us? We have Six of Air, Page of Water, okay, so let me start tell you guys what I'm picking up. Right away, I do feel like the earth or just nature has a very calming energy. Like, I feel very calm right now, but I feel like it's also, I'm just gonna say she, because I don't know. It's Mother Nature, so I feel like she also wants a break with the Four of Swords right away. She feels like there's just like too much going on, and it's not having to do with her. It's like there's too much going on, just want to say on her. So just in nature, there's like too much going on. We have renewal, the Lovers. Yeah, with the Ten of Wands, I'm getting like building. So she is acknowledging that like a lot of people are like building things and tearing things down, building things up, also using things from her to build things. So like houses and stuff. But then the houses and stuff, the buildings aren't really environmental friendly. So then she's like wondering why they built those things. So she's saying like there could be a much more efficient way of like building and making structures that could involve like using stuff from nature. And I'm also hearing some of the nature things that you would use to like build structures would be more adaptable to like the environment, and like even stronger than the things that we're using now. I keep seeing a vision of like mud or clay, so this could be she's like referring to mud or like clay houses or buildings. Yeah, she feels like we need to walk away from like constantly building things. don't know why I keep getting just like buildings. 10 of water in reverse. I'm also hearing I could go on and on about things. So I could definitely tap in and like probably talk for like 2 hours about things that she feels like there could be changes. We have changing path in reverse. Yeah, she's like, things don't work, but they keep doing things that don't work. Or things that are not efficient, but they keep repeating the same things over and over again and wondering why they keep getting the same results, because you're not doing things differently. Yeah, I feel like she sees people's like families growing. She sees people just growing, neighborhoods, communities, stuff like that. But like the structures, she feels like there could be a really big improvement. There's something about like making the structures like into the earth, if that makes sense. So it's like making structures that like are part of the earth, that like work with the earth. Instead, she feels like we're making structures that don't blend in with the environment. So that's why we keep having issues. Let's clarify the Four of Swords. Yeah, she's also saying like, I give you guys everything. I'm like here to offer a lot of things, but you take it and you use it in like a not efficient kind of way. I also feel like this is with food too. Like when it comes to gardens and stuff, it's like, I'm picturing like giant fields with certain like corn or whatever in a big field. I don't know, she's saying like there's ways to do it more efficiently, like less space but more food. Also picking that up with housing, it's like you'd take up less space, you'd work with the earth, and then you wouldn't have to keep rebuilding or fixing things. Oh, I guess I didn't even get a card for that. Okay, clarify Four of Swords. Okay, we have masculine, but it fell out this way. Yeah, she's also acknowledging that we like to do things really fast. Like, it doesn't really matter if it's gonna last long. Like, as long as it's fast, which is like the masculine energy, as long as you get it done, like that's all that matters. And she doesn't really like that too much. She also understands it. But she's saying there's like a lot more creative ways on doing things. Childish. Okay, she's also talking about how oh my god, I could literally go on and on, I feel, with this reading. She's also talking about how not enough people go outside. A lot of people are on their phones or like just inside a lot. She misses like when there used to be a lot more people outside enjoying nature. Maybe even like letting their kids outside. She feels like there's not many kids outside anymore, like how there used to be. Also hearing, look back at like old structures. I'm literally thinking of the pyramid. She's like, there's ways of like building structures like that Or it like works with the environment instead of against it. My way or the highway in reverse. Ending cycle in reverse. Yeah, she's like saying that there's a lot more potential. There's a lot more, I want to keep saying efficient ways of doing things, and we're just like not doing it. Oh, okay, and then she's also trying to give us like wake up calls too. I don't know why I keep seeing a vision of like Florida where they get like a hurricane and there's like a bunch of water, like the street is filled with water. She's like, I'm trying to get you guys to like do things differently because what you're doing, like you have to keep rebuilding. I don't know why I keep thinking of like floating houses. So maybe she's saying there's a way that you could make your house float. I don't know. We have food. Yeah, there's like a different way that we could be doing things. With food, she's like saying, I'm here to nourish you, like with food, but also, oh my god, I can't talk. Also with resources. I can literally give you everything, but you're just not really seeing it. So I'm like trying to get you guys to adjust, but you're not really getting it. Yeah, there's definitely something with water. Yeah, she's also saying water could work for you, but it's like there's a current, but we keep going against the current. Yeah, like there's polluted waters. I'm also getting like animals as well are like here to help us too, but she's saying sometimes we don't really get them. We don't understand them. I'm specifically looking at this card, which has like whales and stuff. Whales and dolphins. So there's like water creatures that are willing to help. She's saying that people aren't seeing that Mother Nature is a lot more giving and helpful than what people realize. I'm hearing like I have an abundance of everything you would ever need, but you're just like not really seeing it at all. Or you see it, but you don't use it. I don't want to say it in the wrong way, but you don't use it efficiently. But yeah, I'm getting like, she's saying life could be a lot easier for us, but it's just like we're not using her resources like we should be. So let's see what this deck says. Yeah, we have I literally said something about like going against a current, and we have this. It says going with the flow, but it's in reverse. Patience in reverse. Yeah, she feels like we just build things, do things just really fast. It doesn't matter as long as it gets done. That's all that matters. But like, she's literally called Mother Nature. So obviously a mother is like giving and nurturing, and that's what she is. But it's like not seeing that. You have Thunderbolt in reverse. This is literally just like clarifying everything that I said. Thunderbolt in reverse, like not wanting to change. So yeah, she sends like, okay, I'm gonna ask, let me just finish with this card. Okay, so yeah, she's overall saying she wants to help. She wants people to like help them, or she wants to help people, but like they want things done right away. Something about like not wanting to wait for plants to grow, like just wanting the food right away. Like there's no patience. She feels like we're very impatient. Okay, so we're gonna see like what's next with Mother Nature. What she wants to say to us for like the future. We have traveling, experiencing. So she definitely wants us to be outside more. Yeah, because, okay, some people might not agree with this, but she's also saying that a lot of people have like mental health issues, and it is because they're not really going outside. She's saying she can heal a lot, she can do a lot, but people are like not acknowledging her as much as they should. She sees people with anxiety, depression, just a lot going on in their minds, and she like calls out to them, but like they don't, a lot of people just want to be indoors. So future message is like she wants more people to go outside. Yeah, aloneness in reverse. I feel like this is like she wants to heal people. Hanged Man in reverse. Yeah, like I said earlier, I feel like there's going to be like, I don't want to say tests, but like things that she does to see if like we'll start changing. So overall, it's not that she's like upset with us or anything. It's like she wants to help us more, but we're just like not acknowledging the help. So she's like trying to shake us up, or shake us awake. Yeah, also she's saying if you're out in nature, you'll be able to connect with your intuition better, which will help people make better choices, decisions. Ultimately, she's saying like if you just spend time in nature, you'll literally have a better life. Because she's there to heal you. Like she wants to heal everyone. And she's also saying like when you're outside, like you're never alone. There's always like bugs or animals, or just, I don't know why I'm hearing snow, or there's rain. Like she's always there. She's like surrounded by you. So she's like trying to comfort people. Nine of Earth. Oh my gosh, this card literally says enjoying life's little luxuries, spending quiet time alone, successful self-employment. So spending quiet time alone, like being outside. And this is like an image of like mountains in the background. This fairy is like green too. Six of Earth. We're getting all the Earth cards now. Yeah, like she just wants to help us more. Let me ask more about like the things that are going on. Why some weird stuff like temperatures are different and things like that. Four of Wands. Oh my gosh, it says missing an opportunity, discontentment, or boredom. Open your eyes to the possibilities. Yeah, so she's trying to like shake us to do things different, to be more open-minded, to see new ways of like using her in everyday life. Not only for just like building and structures and stuff like that, but just even like spending time, like just walking outside. Yeah, she's also saying people in big cities may have more mental health issues because there's like not much nature. Or she sees people in big cities going to parks. It's like when you go to a park, you feel relaxed. We have 9 of air, but it's in reverse. Yeah, even like insomnia or like having issues sleeping. And she's also saying a lot of medications people wouldn't need if they had just spent time outside. Because nature, she's saying, it's like always comforting you, nurturing you, talking to you. Also something about the structures again. The houses or like buildings that we're in, the stuff that's made out of, it's like, I don't want to say toxic, but it's, some of the stuff isn't very natural. She's saying like, if we built structures that were more natural, we wouldn't have to go outside so much either, because just what it's built off, just what it's built from would like give us more energy, or like that nature kind of energy. So you wouldn't have to keep going outside. But she's like saying with the way the world is right now, how things are going on, like there is definitely a lot of people that need to go outside more. So that's what I'm saying for the reading. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.